Come over there, Trey.
Check me. I used to hate waking up in the morning, have to see these other people parking around me and snoring. And now I'm sleeping on these niggas cause this shit is boring. Now I'm sick of rapping, might as well throw it in the toilet. I'm the shit, I'm the piss. Nigga, what the fucking issue? I wipe your fucking tears with my shit filled tissue. And now I'm back on my grind and now I'm about to make it. I'm about to make it to 1 million niggas just faking. I'm waking bacon every morning that I get up. Now these niggas wanna get mad at me because the sun comes up when I step into the scene, step into their life. Their fucking light was dark, but now I made it bright. Sights out for the little niggas that I'm seeing now. I'm telling everybody that I'm running around European. Dick bigger than yours or dick bigger than mine. It really doesn't matter cause it's on your girl's spine. Just telling you the things that I'm reminiscing on. I have so many whip